I'm Crayk, and I'm about to put your knowledge of the real estate market to the test. In this show, I walk you through a home, and you get paid by guessing what it's worth. Welcome to What's My House Worth? On this episode of What's My House Worth, we are here at a mid-century remodel in a highly desirable area of Millcreek. The home's 2,800 square feet, 5 beds, 3 baths on 0.13 acres. Let's go take a look. Now I'm telling you, whatever you think this house is worth, when you guess, you're gonna wanna go a little higher. Come on, let's take a look. Right when you enter the home, it comes into this kind of great room, open concept. Like I mentioned before, everything's been remodeled. Flooring, cabinets, got this cool waterfall concept on the island here. It's all quartz. New appliances, we've got a gas top range there. From the kitchen, you can see over here, we've got the great room, the living room, and the dining area over here in the corner. You'll notice this huge, beautiful gas fireplace, and there's a ton of natural light in here with these floor-to-ceiling windows. This door here off the kitchen gives access to the 2-car garage, and then down here we've got the big master bedroom. This master bedroom is massive. It has his and hers closets, and you've got to see this ensuite bathroom. Down this hallway on the main floor, we have 2 more bedrooms and another full bathroom. Now we're headed down into the basement. We've got 2 more bedrooms down here. We've got 1 here, and we've got the laundry room, another bathroom, the other bedroom over here, and right when you think you've seen it all, it opens up into this massive family room. You want a theater room, you want a place for the kids to play, you want to put a pool table down here, there's endless possibilities. We've got a cool little backyard back here with some mature trees. There's enough room to play catch with the family, entertain out here in the backyard. Now that you've seen the home, the only thing left to do is make some money. Can you guess what this house is worth? How's it going, you guys? We're having people watch a short home tour video, and if you can guess at the end what the house is worth, within $10,000 you win 10 bucks. If you can guess within $1,000 you win 50 bucks. Want to give it a go real quick? Is that all right?
Sure.
Awesome.
Let's do that.
Perfect.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So 5 beds, 3 baths, about 2,800 square feet. Millcreek, what do you guys think? What do you think that house is worth?
I'm gonna say 920.
850.
Oh, so close, so close. 875. That house sold for 875. So you're 25,000 off, almost, man.
That's beautiful.
5 beds, 3 baths, 0.13 acres in Millcreek. What do you think?
800.
Super close. Not 875. You're so close. What do you think? What's this house worth?
I'd say 749.
749. Close. 875. I know everybody. I keep saying you gotta go a little higher, but 875. You know what? We haven't been able to give away any money today, so I'm just gonna give you 10 bucks for participating and guessing for us.
I'm going to say 2.1.
2.1. 875.
Oh, God.
875.
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
It was listed for $1 million. It sold for 875. So.
Oh, in Millcreek, I thought it'd be a lot more.
Yeah. On the next episode of What's My House Worth, we're going to be in the heart of Sugar House at a 2,000 square foot home with 4 bedrooms and 3 baths that sits on 0.13 acres. This house has been completely remodeled. Everything is new. New flooring, new HVAC, new quartz countertops, new bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, everything's brand new. This is your chance to win. The first person to comment below within $10,000 of the listing price without going over will win a $50 Amazon gift card, and the winner will be revealed in the next episode of What's My House Worth?